Mama Show, and today we have a special guest, and her name is Alicia M. Move on my way, you pheasant. I can't touch you, so go. I'm germophobic. Okay, so I was paid $100 to do this job. That's the only reason I'm doing it. And this is for all you people that didn't have enough money to go to school. So we're gonna learn long division and short division. And if you're smart, you'll probably know it already. Okay, so division is separating a number into groups, girl. It can be 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, as many as you want, depending on how big the number is, how big the dividend is. The dividend is the first number, the divisor, the second number, and then the quotient is the answer / result. Okay, let's do an example. Okay, people, can't believe I'm touching something that was probably made 1,000 years ago. I'm gonna have to take a serious shower when I get home. Yeah. Okay, so choose a number. Choose a number. Choose a number.
15.
One more.
6.
Choose one number that's one digit.
7.
Okay, peeps. We're gonna see how many. The thing is 156 divided by 7 equals blank. That's what we're gonna figure out. Now, like I said, this number is a dividend, and then this is a dividend, and then this is a quotient. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, so we're gonna have to figure out how many times 7 can go into 1. 7 cannot go into 1. So the answer for none is 0. So you put 0 right here. Now, you always have to multiply. Sorry, I'm having difficulties. You always have to multiply the answer here by this number. So I'm going to do 7 times 0, which is 0. 7 times 0 is 0. Then you write your answer to these under here. So it's basically like find out how many times it can go into something, then multiply, then subtract. Now 1 minus 0 is 1. Now you have to bring the next number down. So you draw an arrow to see where you're going to bring it down, 15. Figure out how many times 7 goes into 15. So let's count by 7. 7, 14, 21. So the answer will be 7 can go into 15 2 times. But then 7 times 2 is 14, so always multiply. 7 times 2, 14. Write it under here. 5 minus 4 is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. They bring the next number down. Again, 7 can go into 16 2 times. 7 times 2 is 14. I'll do 16 times 14. Do 0, and 6 times 4 is 2. So your answer will be to this division problem. We'll do 156 divided by 7 is 22. Is 22 remainder 2. So let me give you something to erase that with my eraser. Okay, so I don't have an eraser, so I have to use my hands. I'm seriously gonna shower when I get home. This is disgusting me, y'all. Okay, so our answer was 22 remainder 2. So these are remainders. But for now, since we're in 4th grade, not 5th or 6th or 7th or 8th or 9th and 10th, 11th and 12th, yeah, I talk too much. So the remainder, we're just gonna do remainder. When we get to higher grade, we're gonna start using decimals. So to check our answer, we can always do multiplication. So let's do 22 times 7. 7 times 2 is 14. Put the 1 here, 7 times 2 is 14, add 15. And then that's 4, but then we have a remainder 2. Add that because 156, which is what we were dividing by before. So now, let me tell you how you could do equal groups to solve it. So, choose a 1-digit number.
7.
No, choose a 2-digit.
72.
Not too high.
18.
Okay, 18. Now choose a 1-digit.
2.
Not 2.
8.
Okay. So we're gonna use equal groups. So we have to draw 8 groups. This number is how many groups we're going to be drawing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And you're going to be drawing strikes to see how much is in each one. So do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So in each group we have in 2 groups we have 3, but then in the rest of the groups we have 2. So we're gonna erase 1 from the groups that have 3. So each group is 2. So the answer will be 2 remainder 2. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, so now I'm going to give you a question to solve, and you're going to do it, okay?
No.
8. Girl, you better not play with me. 6 to 8. Now, I want y'all audience to solve this. So, how many times can 8 go into 6? Solve it, audience.
No.
Stop it right now.
No.
Okay, I'll just solve it. 8 can go to 6 0 times. 8 times 0 is 0. Put the 6, bring the 2 down. 8 can go into 62 how many times?
Miss Alicia,
What?
your board fell.
Okay, since you can't solve this one, I'm Santa. And by the way, happy holidays. Let me give you a different one.
Ho,
Let's
ho,
do a
ho.
We're going to do a long division one because I noticed people in Barbara Jordan Elementary School room, hold on a minute.
1 hour later.
I noticed that people in Barbara Jordan Elementary School room 403 are having trouble with long division. So we're going to do a long division example. 6 into 8, 8, 8. Okay, 6 can go into 8 one time. 6 times 1 is 6. Subtract that. 8 minus 6 is 2. Then you move the 8 down. 6 can go into 28 how many times? Count with me. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30. So 24 times. 6 times 4 is 24. 8 minus 4 is 4, and 2 minus 2 is 0. Then move the 8 down. 6 can go into 48 how many times? I'm waiting for you, audience, my sweet beautiful peers. Don't be shy with me.
No, I'm not answering it. You answer it. You're too lazy.
Okay, 6 can go into 48. Let me think. Sorry, I'm good at division. Give me a moment.
1 hour later. One eternity later.
Sorry, audience. I'm having some technical problems with solving this out. 36, 37, 38. Okay, 6 can go. I finally figured it out. 6 can go into 4. Oh, what happened? This is a big mess right here. 6 can go into 48 8 times. 6 times 8 is 48. So now you have your 0, so it should be 148. Thank you, people, for learning. And drop. No, I'll be dropped. Disappear. Bye, y'all. Here,